welcome to Life Captures. Today we're gonna make lovely t-shirts. So I got all the stuff we need. I got a few white t-shirts, some paints, a toothbrush, leaves, a paint pot, and a toothbrush, glitter, fabric glue, and a pot for water. And now we're going to begin. So guys, with this, I traced it, like here, with a pencil. Now I'm going to write N in the middle for my name. So I'm going to use my fabric glue and put sparkles all around. Okay guys, now I'm putting the glue everywhere so sparkles could appear. Now I'm going to put the sparkles. Wee, hut. So now is the fun part. The last one was kind of tricky and complicated. The glue sticked everywhere on our hands and everything. So now we're going to go on our next one. So I got colors in a plate, a paper plate. Yellow, red, orange, blue, and purple. It does not look. So how we made purple is, purple was with red and blue. And orange was with yellow and red, and green, well, there's no green. We're going to leave it for our next one. So green is with blue and yellow. So blue, yellow, and red are primary colors. So we don't have, I don't have any idea how do you make red or yellow or blue. So let's start. So we got a little potato and cut it in half and got 2 forks and potato. Snip. Now let's get 1 potato. Use wipes to clean it. So you don't need to use stamps and sponge, then you have to wait until it cleans. So if it's a potato, you could easily wipe it. So let's start. Let's get red first. Be careful. If you feel it's not enough, put more paint. Don't put too much. Ready? So okay, now I'm done with the red. My mum wiped it, but I got another one. So now I'm going to put orange. Make sure you don't put too much. So now we finished my t-shirt. We actually put green instead. We thought not to put green and then we put green again. So now we're on to our next t-shirt. So now I got my t-shirt. I'm not gonna tell you how we're gonna do it, but I'm just gonna show what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna leave out the surprise in the end. I'll tell you in the end. So now, do you want a surprise? Ta-da! So now I'm gonna handprint. Hi guys, so I printed it, now I'm squeezing it. Ta-da! Whoa, that looks good. Achha. So now we're on t-shirt number 4. Now let's go and start the process. I got these two colors and this yellow. I don't want to waste then blah blah blah. So I am gonna, with this toothbrush, I'm gonna dip this in, and then I think I need more. Never mind. I'm gonna squeeze. So we are all finished. We'll keep it dry. I have to do another tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. We have after 24 hours. And I'll tell you the next step. So after it's you painted, I'm just going to, we have to paint another side. And then after we paint it, we have to reverse and iron it. So ironing it, and then tomorrow let's see how it's gonna be, and then we'll look. Bye bye. Okay guys, so now I try them on. I'm gonna tell some funny parts about it and good parts. Well, this one, in this part, almost all those sparkles came on the floor, on the carpet. So we had to pick it up and put it in a little box. It's like a jar. And this, the potato t-shirt, which one do you like? Which color? I like red, orange, and yellow. And this t-shirt is the best, my favorite. And this one, it has a smiley face. That's made for me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.